The first dog that I see hit the Ebony magazine, which is Toto from The Wiz. I never got to see his face up close, so this is a good footage of the dog. You know, because in the movie you couldn't be able to see his face as much. You know, he played a lot of big parts that you was all able to see his face. You see, he's now like in a big tub of cotton balls, seems like. You know, and that's the scene of him being captured by Eveline when they took them to that place and they wanted to harm them. You know, over the shoes Dorothy have on. They wanted to throw the dog in a hot thing of fire. You know, the dog went through a lot in this movie, so he deserved some type of recognition. See, Toto went through a lot. While Toto ran out the house, he ran out in the snow. He was the reason why this movie started in the first place. See, Toto? Now look at him. He even ran on the yellow brick road. Give this guy applause. Toto.